Hub, and in this video I'm going to show you our next week fundamental analysis or fundamental plans. Okay, so as you know that gold is always related with USD, that means USD news, that means United States dollar. Okay, so we have to follow all of USD news, and as you know that gold is called also XAUUSD, and we have to follow USD news. Okay, and there is two short note over here, and as you can see there, for positive news, data come with green 0.5%, green 245k indicates sell for gold. Okay, that means if data come with positive data, that means positive value, and seems like green data or green value, we will sell gold. And if it come with negative data like red 0.5%, red 245k, we will buy gold. Okay, there is simple theory. For positive news we will sell gold, for negative news we will buy gold. Okay, you can ask me, Mr. Boom, why for positive data we will sell gold, why for negative data we will buy gold? Okay, let me explain a little bit as well. So suppose one gold bar is equal to 2500, that means $2,500, that means United States dollar, and we have to follow two line over here. Gold value is always fixed. Okay, gold value always fixed, and dollar value can be changed, or USD value can be ups or down, or it always constant, that means gold is always constant and USD is variable. Okay, so as you can see there, if USD news come with -5% data, that means -5% data. Okay, this is our previous value and it comes with -5%, that means if we minus 5% from previous one, we will get smaller than previous one. Okay, smaller than previous one, that means where gold is strong and United States dollar is weak. That means previously we buy one gold bar is equal to 2500 USD. Okay, if USD got weak, that means 5% weak, we have to buy one gold with 2525, that means $25 more. Okay, that means United States dollar is weaker than gold over here. Okay, so when USD got weaker, gold is going up. This is the simple theory, that means gold value is higher, or gold value is going to increase. Okay, so we have to keep this concern in your mind. Okay, and for the USD positive value, as you can see then, gold is always constant as I said before, and if we add plus, let me make it green, plus 5% with the previous value, that will be 5% bigger than previous one. Okay, so in that case, if US value increase, that means gold value is decreasing, that means we have to spend 5% less than to buy one gold bar. That means previous value was one gold bar is equal to 2500 US. So if we want to buy one gold bar, we have to spend 2475, suppose. That's one, I didn't calculate the accurate value, so gold value is decreasing. In this case we have to sell gold. Okay, so hopefully all things is clear now. If you have still you have any guilty, you can check our previous fundamental analysis. I was analyzed or discussed in detail on there. Okay, so let's check the market situation. As you can see there is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Okay, total we have 5 trading days to trade, and each and every day we have gold red news, that means major news, and minor news also. Okay, so if we want to trade, we have to keep our concern on news, because market is moving without rules, as you know that. So we have to keep our mind or keep our concern on fundamental analysis. Okay, and this time fundamental analysis is workable more than technical analysis, so we are focusing fundamental analysis. So you have to keep your concern on fundamental analysis. So for Monday we have 2 US news, as you can see there. One of maybe my time is time frame or GMT is wrong over here, that's why there is a wrong time showing over here. You can check your local time in forexfactory.com. Okay, So we have one major news. If USD data come with positive data, we will sell gold. If with negative data, we will buy gold. Okay. And Tuesday we have two US red news, so same theory. And Wednesday we have one US red news. And if data come with negative value, we will buy gold. If with positive value, we will sell gold. Okay. And Thursday we have unemployment claims. This is very important news, so we have to keep our mind on this news. And there is a PMI news also on Thursday. Okay, same theory. If it come with negative value, we will buy gold. If it get positive value, we will sell gold. Okay. And Friday is the most important. That means we have NFP news on Friday. This is the most important news in full month, so we have to keep our full concern on this news. Okay, NFP is most powerful news on the market. Okay, you have to keep your concern on this news, and you have to manage your risk properly during the news time. You may open a separate account for the NFP news, so if you want to take your risks. Okay, if data come with positive value, we will sell gold. If with negative value, we will buy gold. Okay, this is the simple theory. And I also explained it a lot about money management, so you may check our previous analysis or previous week's video, that means fundamental video, so you may learn a lot. There is a basic overview what we can do. Okay, so hopefully all things clear now. For more query or for if you have any question, you can ask on Telegram channel admin, that means t.me/fxbillionaire hub. You can join here and you can ask our admin if you have any query. Okay, so that's for today. Happy trading, have a nice day.